Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video, let's learn how to fix something went wrong in Snapchat while adding friends. So first thing first, make sure that you are not adding friends to some people who have restricted your account or blocked you. In that case, you cannot send them friend request. But if it's a normal person to whom you cannot send friend request, today's video, let's learn how you can solve it. Launch your Snapchat, get logged into your account, and then tap onto your profile. Once you do so, let's go ahead access settings, and you have to scroll below, then tap on I have spotted a bug or bugs and suggestions. Here tap on report a bug and tap friends. And simply type in that even though the person has a normal account, you're not being able to simply tap on add friends and be connected with that person. If you have a screenshot of your problem, tap on add attachment, and once it is so, you can simply go ahead and tap on submit. It will take about a couple of business days for Snapchat to reply you back. Once they do so, all you have to do is follow the on-screen prompt and your problem will be fixed.